Today we're talking about the Samsung Galaxy A57 5G, which has just popped up on the IMEI database, and that's our first big clue that Samsung's next mid-range phone is officially in the works. So the Galaxy A57 5G is expected to be the successor to the Galaxy A56 5G, which launched earlier this year in India. Now, while the new model isn't expected to drop until sometime in 2026, early leaks are already revealing some interesting upgrades. According to a post from tipster Aaron Yilmaz, the Galaxy A57 5G with model numbers A576B/DS has been spotted on the IMEI database. That basically confirms Samsung's working on it behind the scenes. Now here's the juicy part. The phone is rumored to be powered by Samsung's in-house Exynos 1680 chipset, featuring an Xclipse 550 GPU based on AMD's RDNA architecture. If that sounds familiar, that's because it's the same GPU tech Samsung's been using in its flagship Exynos chips. Leaks suggest the Exynos 1680 could be twice as powerful as the Exynos 1580 found in the Galaxy A56. So performance-wise, we're looking at a pretty big step up for a mid-ranger. Camera details are still under wraps, but early hints suggest we'll see some upgrades over the A56's triple camera setup, which included a 50-megapixel main, 12-megapixel ultrawide, and 5-megapixel macro, along with a 12-megapixel selfie shooter. To recap the A56, that phone came with a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, a 5,000 mAh battery with 45-watt fast charging, and even an IP67 water resistance rating. So if Samsung builds on that formula, the A57 could turn out to be one of the best all-round mid-range phones of 2026. Right now, the exact specs and release timeline are still under wraps, but since it's already appeared in the IMEI database, we can expect more leaks in the coming months. So what do you guys think? Should Samsung keep pushing its Exynos chips in the A series, or should they bring back Snapdragon for better global consistency? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.